up, everybody? It is your boy Chaz here, humbled on a daily. You already know what is going on, man. Really appreciate you stopping, man, and giving another look-see to another reaction. If this is your first time, what's up, man? Hope you guys are doing good. And if you're here all the time, welcome back. Appreciate the support. All right, man, this is obviously a blast from the past. You saw it in the title. I haven't done a Nightwish reaction in a long time. I mean, that's when, in the very beginning of my beginning days, I got hooked onto this Nightwish roller coaster, man, and I'll tell you what, man, it sucked the people out of nowhere, dude. Nightwish has got a massive fan base. So I got somebody said, hey, listen, man, you haven't done a Nightwish song in a long time. Don't sleep on them. Don't forget them. They're still relevant, is kind of what this person was saying. So this is a Nightwish. This is called Noise. This is from an album in 2020. I guess it was called Human. What was it called? Human something? Human Nature. So moderately relevant. I mean, it's 2020. That's only a couple years ago. So let's give that a listen here. This is this is called Noise. It's an official video. This isn't their live stuff. Because if you have not seen Nightwish, folks, man, check out some of their live shit, like especially their old stuff. I haven't really watched a whole lot of the new stuff, but their old stuff, freaking bonkers, man, over the top, man. We're talking fireworks, lasers, smoke, freaking flames, dude. Like, they're like so theatrical. Their shit, their concerts, man. If you spent money to see them in concert, you got your damn money's worth, guaranteed. So they're a lot of fun to watch, man, for sure. So this is called Noise. Let's get into it, shall we? Oh, Nightwish. I'll tell you what, man. That's what got me started in this whole damn reaction shit. Here we go. Nightwish, Noise, on your marks, get set, official video. Let's get it. All right, it's been years since I've seen them, but I'll say you right now, the sound is the same. I mean, that just this very beginning part, this intro of this video, it sounds, this is like their old shit. It sounds just like it.
Yourself, post for the dead, have a near-life experience in a hot air matrix. Now you're a star, fame avatar, feeding the beast in your loud ego land. You have become tool of a tool, digital fool, setting you to shut up and dance.
Woohoo! I see what's going on here. All right, so, well, obviously, if you guys have know the song, but they're basically talking about how we're addicted to our damn freaking phones and digital shit. That's what she was saying about digital. You're a digital avatar. Catching it now. I'm a little old and slow, but I'm catching on.
Setting you to shut up and dance.
So true, so true. Brainless noise is so fucking true. Like, our digital fucking shit, this shit right here, dude, is the worst. I mean, and I'm guilty of it. I can't set these damn things down. It's like, It's computers in your hand, full-fledged computers in your hand. My life is in this thing almost, like phone numbers and passwords, and like this thing holds a lot of shit. Ah, so true. Just digital, it's just noise. It's all this noise. Damn, it's so true.
Love me, see how I bleed, please ensure I have such empathy in me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you see that bottle? It's fucking says fat away. So basically, that's funny, fat away. It's fucking saying that we're so vain right now. We're just looking at our phones and we're trying to get the best sell. We're trying to sell our lives as if like we're going to get paid for or something. Like you're having such a great time and your body looks great. Oh, it's so fucking true. It's just embarrassing. Fat away. That's fucking.
Please love me, see how I bleed, please ensure I have such empathy in me. How noise, how beautifully numb, deaf in the quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, set hologram, lost in the maze, the real and human feel. The sunset is free from this deity, the earth has a real voice, go out and get in.
Yes. The sun is free. What did it say? The earth has a voice. Come get in. Like the earth has a real voice. Come get in. Dude, it's the truth. Basically, they're saying, put these motherfuckers down. Go outside and fucking look around. Smell the flowers, the trees. Look at the sun. Listen, folks, I've said this a million times, man. Being born, being alive on this fucking planet in the middle of space, floating around in the middle of, a galaxy of nothingness. We're alive and we're doing this on something called the internet. We've hit the lottery, folks. God damn. Put the phones down. Enjoy what's outside. I agree with this 1,000%. Okay, so the thing with the baby, basically it's like we're programming the babies at an early age to be vain and to look at their digital shit. That's what that is. Whoa, stop getting that scene is fire right there. So what I'm getting out of that is the little kid is wanting attention from the mom, but the mom is too busy with this fucking phone. And she's crying. She's starving for attention. But the mother is like literally not paying any attention. Ah, ha, ha. Dude, this song's got some great freaking meaning on it. It's like a drug. That's what it is. Like that's what the pills represent. It's like this drug, this all this information, all this social media shit is at your fingertips, like drugs, man. It's freaking so great. Woo-hoo! That is legit. The message is legit. Damn. Did you notice, okay, I know it's over, but did you notice they got the child still strapped down, and then they got a person even as an adult strapped down? Meaning, you know, it's just through your whole life, you're basically enchained. You're enchained to this thing. Your whole life, it doesn't matter. Baby, all the way into adulthood. This is legit, man. The message in this is legit. Ah, that was fire, dude. Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. Holy shit. Okay. That was legit. The message in that, and okay, I'm going to get over the message because I've said that a bazillion times now. But that is typical Nightwish. Like all the colors, throughout the whole video, just the real bright, vibrant colors and the real, it's like eclectic kind of looking and sounding. It's so typical Nightwish. I love that, man. They stayed true to their sound, stayed true to their roots, and what a powerful message that is, because we all feel it. I know we do, because it's like that water cooler, around the water cooler kind of conversations. We've all had them, how we're so addicted to these phones. Like literally, if you go to the store and you get to the store, you're like, oh shit, I left my phone at home. You feel freaking lost. You feel like, damn, please, car don't break down, something don't break. You don't want to be caught without your phone, because this is like your connection to the world. What did we used to do back in the day, man? You would drive anywhere. If you broke down, bam, your ass is walking. That's it. You're walking. Or if a car is nice enough to stop by and give you a hand. But nowadays, dude, oh my God, if you leave your phone for 5 minutes driving somewhere, you turn your ass around to come back to get the phone. That's just the way it works. It's like your wallet. You just don't leave it, or your purse for that matter. What a great message. What a great sound. What a great song. Really enjoyed that. That is just your quintessential Nightwish. Now, it's not their live stuff with the theatrics, but the video is so Nightwish. Just the colors, the eclectic, the weirdness. It's just really, it's just such a pleasure. And the way they depicted, our addiction to this stuff, just with all the little, just the nuances throughout that video is badass. All right, that was Nightwish called Noise. What a great song. Finish that one up. Bam. Hey, like the video, share the video, subscribe if you haven't already. You'll get to hear badass jams like that all the time on this channel. Let's finish that one up, compartmentalize it, toss it off into the little organized little shelves there, and we will move on to the next one. I am Chaz Albert. Appreciate you stopping on the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Be safe. Booyah.